Hey guys, I'm back. This video is kind of like a little bit out of order. I promised myself I wouldn't totally go out of order, but what I want to talk about is command line parameters. And what that is how to pass in parameters from the command line when you're running your program through a terminal, and pass in values so that you can kind of dictate how the program runs, like how many players you want to pass in, or if you want to pass in a data file, pass in a path to that. So how do we do that? Well, to do that, we need to import a library called sys, which is it's called system specific parameters. There's another one called OS that we'll use a lot of. It's operating system functions, and they just have helpful things that I'll get into a lot of those other things in a little bit, or later in later videos. But when you run a Python program, for example, when I say Python and then I give it a program name like pyintro4, which is the file I'm running, and then anything I put on the command line after that is a parameter. And so when I run that program, it ran the program, it just didn't do anything. So how do we get access to these parameters in Python? Well, since we've imported the sys library, there is it's called a list, but it's like an array. sys.argv is a list or an array that contains all the parameters that you put on the command line. So if we looked at it visually, it would be like this: pyintro04.py is in the first array position, and then we would have 1, 2, and I don't know if I had 33. 33 will be passed in as a string, but in these positions, the program itself is the 0th position, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and so if I were to just say, and here's another cool thing about Python, print sys.argv, it won't have any problems printing out that entire array. In C, it would be like, what? It would print out an address of the first location. But Python prints it all out. So in the 0th position, it's the actual program name, and then the first parameter, second parameter, third parameter. Okay, so if I wanted to print out or get access to some of these values, I would just say print sys.argv sub 0, print sys.argv sub, like, let's say I wanted the 33. That would be in position 3. Save that, run it, and I got access to my command line parameters. If I were to say, this is back up a little bit, print the type of sys.argv, we will see that it's of type list, which is like an array, but we'll talk more about those later. If I were to say print type of sys.argv sub 3, any guesses? It's a string. So that's one thing we have to worry about, is if we're going to pass in, and this is just me giving you a visual reference. Over here, when we put it on the command line, it's just a number, so we would have to cast that. So if I wanted to print that out, or make it a decimal, I would have to cast it into an integer. So you could do that by just saying like x is equal to, and we'll cast it to an int, and we'll say print out type of x, and obviously we should get integer. Boom. Alright.